Giving my husband Turkish coffee.
Teşekkür ederim.
Beğendi mi? Ne?
Eline sağlık.
Afiyet.
A lot of times people ask me, how do you make your Turkish coffee for your Turkish husband? And for sure, I'm still learning to make Turkish coffee. I really, I'm not an expert. Like, I cannot say that I know it very well, like the Turkish people or maybe the Turks. But I want to show you how I normally make it so that if you are learning like me, you can learn together. So without wasting any time, let's go to the kitchen. I'm going to be making my Turkish coffee, but I also make for my husband. And just to show you how I normally do it, okay?
For first, we're gonna be needing some coffee. Doesn't matter which one you're using. I'm using, this is not the one. This is just I stored here. So we're gonna be needing some Turkish coffee. We're gonna be needing something to use to make. I don't know. This is called cezve or something in Turkish. You can use this one, or if you have a machine, you can use it, or even a smaller machine like this one that I got from the market. It's very simple, but it can do. I prefer to cook using this one. And also we're going to be needing some Turkish cup for coffee. There are a variety of them. You can use these ones, like this one. We have also this one. I have this brand, like not the brand, this model. This is so delicious. And something else, we're going to be needing some sugar. We're also going to be needing some water. We're also going to be needing a glass for water and something to put our delicacies or maybe delights, okay? Today, I'm not going to have a lot of delights, but rather, this is apricot. This is a fruit. I just love taking because they're the season. We have a little sweets here, even though I'm not a candy person. So you can put something like baklava or baklava here, or any candy or chocolate, whichever you want here. So how I normally do it is actually, also you need a spoon to actually scoop everything. You can use this small spoon if you prefer, or you can use even this one. This one actually is for this one. Okay, so today I'll be just doing my own thing, okay? And I'm gonna be using this one, okay? I'll just scoop because I'm making for one person. Like for me, my husband just left, but this is the procedure. So I'm taking 1 teaspoon. I think this is a teaspoon. So I'm gonna just put here, okay, inside this water, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some little bit of sugar. You don't, okay, like so. Now if you are using this, it is just the same. You're gonna scoop one spoon of this one, okay, like this, and also 1 spoon of this sugar, okay. Now when it comes to water, you have to make sure that you are actually because it is one person, for one person I'm going to put this one, like 1 cup, okay. So I'm going to add in 1 cup of water, and then what I'm gonna do before I start cooking my coffee, I'll just have to make sure that I'm mixing everything like so, very well, like this, so that when we are putting on the fire, you don't have to mix everything, okay. That is just, we do it just once, and I'm using cold water, okay. And then we're gonna cook, okay. I'm gonna put here, and then open my fire and then start cooking it, okay. If you're using the machine, this one, it is just the same. The only thing that is actually I have noticed is that this one, the machine makes it faster than the normal brewing using the chest, but also the little machine is so convenient and also super affordable. So if you don't want to use the normal traditional way, you can actually prefer to use this little machine. We also have other larger machines for brewing Turkish coffee, okay. So this is just one to the same thing, but this one is more faster. It's okay, you can use it for faster if you want something faster. For me, I prefer actually using this one because it gives that traditional feeling, and also it lets my coffee to brew more, because the machine makes it very quickly. I don't like it when it is very quickly. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna be needing some water, so let me just pour some water here. You cannot serve Turkish coffee without water. For those new people who, if you are new to traditional or maybe to Turkish culture, remember to serve with some water. Okay, you can see my Turkish coffee is almost bubbling. Okay, so I love using this traditional way because it gives like it lets it to actually brew very well. Okay, so when it starts bubbling like that, what I'm gonna do is actually to let it just bubble for a few minutes, just as you are seeing. Okay, and then when it has started forming some foam on the top like so, as you are seeing, what I'm gonna do is actually to let it just form, let it make some more foam. Okay, now it has boiled. I'm gonna just pour it here. If there were 2 cups, I'll pour half. Okay, I'll pour half of it and wait, or maybe even just add a little bit to boil more, okay, on the fire, so that it can make more foam, but you don't need to. Okay, but if because it is only me, I'm just gonna make sure that I'm adding in all of it. And there we have our Turkish coffee. And remember, this foam is very important for Turkish coffee. I don't know why, but this is it. Okay, let me close this. So there we have, guys. This is how I normally make my Turkish coffee for my husband or for myself. Actually, I'm making for myself because he just left, but this is the way I normally make even when he's here now. Turkish coffee we normally serve with water and some stuff, maybe desserts or something, or maybe some chocolates. And also remember, it is not every time. Turkish people prefer tea or maybe chai more than Turkish coffee. Normally I serve my Turkish coffee after meals or maybe when the guests are at home, and before that I prefer asking them just like the way they normally say, or maybe the way they normally ask, if you like Turkish coffee or chai or Nescafe. So there we have, guys. And also something else I wanted to add is some coffee tables. So I'm going to take this one there to place my Turkish coffee there. Okay,